Clara and Phillip the Turtle by Readworks. It's a hot summer's day, and Clara is outside on her back porch drinking lemonade. Her mom is in the backyard cutting the grass with a lawnmower. The lawnmower is loud, and Clara wishes her mom would play with her instead. But her mom says because it's been sunny, and then rainy, and then sunny again, the grass has had everything it needs to grow. Now it is very long and has to be cut. Suddenly, the lawnmower turns off. Clara's mom looks upset. Clara wonders what is wrong. Her mom bends over and picks something up out of the grass and walks over to the porch. Clara's mom has a turtle in her hand. The turtle is small, and as Clara looks closer, she sees that one leg is at an odd angle. "I think I broke its leg," Clara's mom says. "I am really very sorry. Will you help me nurse it back to health?" Clara feels bad for the little turtle. Turtles move slowly, so it probably could not run away when it saw the lawnmower coming. And Clara's mom could not see the turtle in the long grass. It was a mistake, but Clara and her mom will make it right. Clara names the turtle Phillip. Clara and her mom take Phillip the turtle to the veterinarian. The vet takes an x-ray of Phillip's leg and confirms that it is broken. Phillip the turtle gets a little splint and bandage for his broken leg. The vet tells Clara that Phillip needs plants to eat and water to drink, plus a place to live. Clara and her mom buy a small tank at the pet store on the way home for the turtle to recuperate in. At home, Clara takes good care of Phillip the turtle. She puts water and rocks in the tank. She brings him fruit and leaves to eat and keeps his water bowl clean. Phillip seems to be in a better mood. After 8 weeks, Clara and her mom take Phillip back to the vet, who says that his leg is healed. Clara is both happy and sad. Happy because Phillip is better, but sad because she has to let him go now. When Clara gets home, she kisses Phillip's shell, says goodbye, and lets him go in the backyard. Clara will always remember Phillip.